Fragmented wood-clad walls surround outdoor patios, defining this remote Oregon house designed by the local firm Hacker Architects. High Desert is a vacation home, a gathering place for the extended family, a space where everyone can come together, balancing private rooms and shared areas. The same cedar used on the facade extends into the interior, creating visual continuity and reinforcing the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The interiors are bright and airy, combining white, black, and natural wood, serving as a timeless backdrop for the residents' collection of modernist furniture. The house has a simple form, designed to integrate the landscape and sky uniquely in each space. Openings are strategically positioned to frame different views of the land and sky, connecting with the courtyard, garden, and distant hills while highlighting the vastness of the desert sky. The single-story residence consists of flat-roofed volumes of varying heights, arranged in a U-shape. Its design is strongly influenced by the forms, colors, and textures of the high desert landscape. One wing of the house contains 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. At the opposite end of the U-shape, there is a second living room, along with a bathroom and storage area. Wood-clad walls were built to partially enclose outdoor spaces, including a private patio for the primary suite and another next to the kitchen and living room. The exterior is clad in vertical cedar boards, which will develop a weathered appearance over time. The home features expansive windows that frame views of the sky and the desert, which is blanketed in snow during the colder months. In the living room, a double-height glass wall allows abundant natural light to flood the space. The house is located in Central Oregon, a volcanic region with dry summers and harsh, snowy winters. The surrounding landscape features diverse topography, including lakes, mountains, trails, and desert terrain. The land in this distinctive region of the Pacific Northwest is geologically young. There is a purity in the landscape and a distinct aroma in the air that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Native vegetation and rock formations surround High Desert House, reinforcing its connection with the natural environment. At the entrance, a courtyard with a garden and 2 shallow reflecting pools welcomes visitors.